Welcome, in front of me is Google Pixel 10, and in this video I will show you how to regain access to your phone if you forgot your lock screen password. So, if you're sure that you cannot remember the password that you accessed your device with for the last time, then the best decision in such case would be to contact Google customer support service and tell them about your issue. And if you can prove the ownership of the smartphone to them, they will most likely be able to help you out with your problem and will let you regain access to your phone without removing any personal data or data at all from your device. Now, if this option for some reason is unavailable for you, then you can perform a factory reset operation, which will of course erase all data from your device, but it will surely let you regain access to your phone, and you can perform it yourself. There are two ways that you can do this. The first one is using any other device that you have. All you have to do is go to the web browser and search for Find Hub website. Find it in your web browser, then sign into your Google account that is linked with this smartphone and select this smartphone on the list. Then select the smartphone's settings and select Perform Factory Reset on the smartphone option. Once the factory reset is performed, you'll be able to set this device as a new one. Alternatively, you can perform a factory reset operation locally on this device. In order to do this, you're gonna have to enter recovery mode, and if you don't know how to manage the recovery mode, we have an entire video on our channel titled How to Perform Factory Reset Operation through Recovery Mode on Google Pixel 10. So if you need that video, go ahead and check it out. Now, if you do remember your password, but you just cannot use it to access your device into normal mode, maybe you should try safe mode instead, because in safe mode there are no third-party applications that may affect the way that your lock screen behaves. So what you're gonna have to do is, to enter the safe mode, is press the power button and the volume up key at the same time. Then hold down the power off option until you see Reboot to Safe Mode window. Click OK and wait until your device is restarted. Then you'll have to try once again to enter your password in the safe mode and see if it works for you. Then enter your password, press OK. And in case you succeed, maybe not at the first attempt, but generally, if you succeed, you have to go to Settings, then select Security and Privacy, then go to Device Unlock, Screen Lock, again enter your password in this field, press OK, then select None, click Delete, and then just restart your phone by pressing power button and volume up key at the same time. Select Restart and wait until your device is restarted. After that, you will be able to regain access to your device without a problem. And that's it for this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.